Bulkamid is filler for the urethra, and this is how we do it. Going to use this baby camera and this syringe filled with Bulkamid and a long needle. We're essentially going to puff up the urethra. Here's a good shot of the urethra wide open before the procedure, and now we're in the bladder. I place the needle through the scope into the bladder and then pull back to the urethra. The needle goes in and I inject half a syringe to create the first cushion. The first two go at 5 and 7 o'clock. You can already see the urethra is partially occluded. The goal is to occlude it completely. The next two injections go at 10 and 2 o'clock. I gave her a little top off at 12 as well. And that's it, 2 minutes, no more leaks.